The 2020 Millennial Homebuyer Report shows how this generation is not really any different from previous ones when it comes to home ownership goals. The majority of millennials not only want to own a home, but 84% of millennials in 2019 considered it a major part of the American dream. Unfortunately, the myths surrounding the barriers of home ownership, especially those related to down payments and FICO scores, might be keeping many buyers out of the arena. This piece also reveals millennials have to navigate a lot of obstacles to be able to own a home. According to the 2020 survey, saving for a down payment was one of the biggest barriers of 50% of millennials. Millennial or not, unpacking two of the biggest myths that may be standing in the way of home ownership amongst all generations is a great place to start the debunking process. Myth 1. I need 20% for down payment. Many buyers often overestimate what they need to qualify for a home loan. According to the same article, a down payment of 20% for a home that is priced, say, $210,000 would be about $42,000. Only about 30% of millennials in our survey had enough in their savings to cover this, not to mention the additional closing costs. While many potential buyers still think they need to put at least 20% down for the home of their dreams, they often don't realize how many assistance programs are available with as little as 3% down. With a bit of research, many renters may be able to enter the housing market sooner than they ever imagined. Myth 2. I need a 780 FICO score or higher. In addition to down payments, buyers are also often confused about the FICO score it takes to qualify for a mortgage, believing they need a credit score of 780 or higher. Ellie Mae's latest Origination Insight report, which focuses on recently closed loans, shows the truth is over 50% of home loans approved were granted with a FICO score below 750. Even today, many of the myths of the home buying process, unfortunately, are keeping plenty of motivated buyers on the sidelines. It really doesn't have to be this way. Bottom line, if you're thinking of buying a home, you may have more options available than you think. Let's connect so I can answer your questions and help you determine your next steps.